Have you ever have the need to transfer a particular color from an image or reference into another program, or a specific requirement from a client for particular RAL color to a project? It could be for facade, wood, furniture, whatever. If you do have struggled, this video is exactly for you. Let's say your client gave you this color and wants to have it for a wood. RAL stands for colors, it's color code, and it's universal, international, and you can be sure that if you give this color to someone else, it will bring you back exactly the right color. So what I'm going to do is simply Google it and write the code and RGB. I want to see this, it's red, green and blue values. I'll go to this site, which I find really cool, and here I have a full information about this color in particular. Another option to transfer it is to use the HS value, which stands for hue, saturation and brightness. You could copy it to the clipboard, but unfortunately it doesn't work for Photoshop, and I will show you again manually. Here above, this is the way where you can fill these values. So I'll copy paste them again as before, and 69, and I press OK. I'll make another layer so you can see the difference. This one was transferred with the RGB values and this one with the hue, saturation and brightness. Okay, great. Okay, we got the Photoshop, but what happens when we go to another program, let's say Unity? For the materials, here we have also the color wheel, and if we find ourselves here in the HSV option, which is hue, saturation and value, what can we do? It's simple. I will tell you the trick. The brightness here, again this field, is corresponding to this option. If you don't want to use it, you can use also to switch and go to the RGB values from 0 to 255. This is a standard, but if not, then you can go with this one, and I'll show you that it's working. Let me just see the values with the tab 31, 55 and 69. You can switch with the tab to the rest of the slots, and voila, we have it exactly the same color as in the rest of the programs, and our reference as well. Of course, if you want to go deeper and to check more about these things, there is a complicated, let's say, information here. You can find a lot about the colors. It's a deep field that you can lose a couple of hours of reading. Okay, but isn't there a better way to write these things, or every time you need to write some three values and to copy paste them between programs? Yes, there is. I'll close this and show you. I'll close this and say want to transfer this green color, let's say. Okay, you can pick it whatever you feel like. And here is this. Have you ever wondered what this hashtag is? It's exactly a color code, another one. So I'll copy this hashtag and paste it into Unity. Here, hexadecimal, this guy over here. Yes, we have it. Exactly the same. And it works even reversed. If I go here to the web browser, paste it over here, and just search for it, I have it here. And I can get back the RGB values from it. And I can get back the raw color, the name, this code, which I said previously is universal, at least for Europe. Besides that, I can use it in the other softwares. Let's say I can use it for Substance Painter. Here, if you bring this menu a bit up, you can find this here. It's exactly this color, like this green. Or you can copy this value and go to the Substance player. Here I just need to find the slot for the different colors, for the different programs, I'm sorry. And here is the hashtag. Oops, I lost it. I'll go and copy it. You can copy it from here, is this Hex, this guy. Copy it to clipboard and paste it. The light is a bit too much here, but the color, the value, it's completely the same. You can compare it because when you copy this hashtag, here are written also the RGB values, and you can see they're completely correct. So here just overburn the light, but everything is as it is. I'll show you also here for the Substance Painter. It works, and it's super easy to transfer it with this hashtag, to be transferred with the hashtag. And here is the time to ask you kindly to like and subscribe if you found something useful in this video, and maybe to check our other videos. You can find a lot of knowledge is there. I would say this is a super useful technique to transfer colors between many programs with exactly one value, to take it from the reference and use it exactly as you need it. It works for many programs, the Adobe package as well, for designers, architects, etc. Unfortunately, you can't use the hexadecimal for Revit, since there is no menu like this, but you still have the option for the RGB, and the same stands for 3ds Max. You have the RGB values but no hexa. It doesn't matter, you know how to do it the first way, the old school way, and this is a new hack that I hope is going to save you some time and make your life easier and your work more pleasurable. You know the shortcut already, where to find, how to use it, and have fun. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below and join us. We have some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.